Hello and welcome to our March 22 edition of the List Live. My name is Larry Hoffman. I am the publisher of Dine Sarasota. In print, our little Sarasota dining book on the web at dinesarasota.com, and our brand new bulletin newsletter, Sarasota Bites. If you haven't subscribed, you probably should do that. I got a question for you first. What do you think about the intro? Is it a little too dramatic for a restaurant recap show? I'm not sure. We're just trying to have a little fun here. We're going to do it quick. We're going to run down some restaurants for you and give you some ideas of some great places to go for your dining pleasure in Sarasota, Florida. First, we're going to start things off with a little game. Can you guess this mystery restaurant dining room? If you have a guess, leave it in the comments. We'll pick two winners at random. Each one's going to receive a $25 gift certificate to this particular restaurant. I've got one little clue for you. This place has been serving hungry Sarasota diners breakfast and lunch for over 20 years. Okay, let's get things started. Number 5 for the month of March was Rosemary and Thyme. You guessed by the name, it's located out in the Rosemary district. They serve dinner nightly, but one of the things you may not know is they also have a fantastic Sunday brunch. Number 4 is the Good Liquid Brewing Company. They're located out in Waterside Place and Lakewood Ranch, brand new out there. Great outdoor dining space if you'd like to soak up some nice Florida sunshine while enjoying a great burger or a really good craft beer. Number 3 is the Opus Restaurant Lounge. They're located in the Gulfgate neighborhood. I don't know about you, but I think everybody I've run into lately has been talking about this place. They've either been there, they know somebody who's going there, or they've just heard people talking about it. They have a great craft cocktail program there. So if that's your thing, this might be a great stop for you. Number 2, the Boulevard Cafe. We're taking a trip back over to Rosemary. Chef Micah England really has people talking about her delicious pastries, and a lot of them are gluten-free. So if you have a preference for that, she can certainly take care of it. Also, they have a really authentic croque madame. That's one thing you should try if you're over in that area. It's a great place to stop for breakfast or lunch. Number 1 is the Drunken Poet Cafe. Yes, they're still on top of the heap, winner and still champion. Easy to get to Main Street location. It's more than fantastic Thai cuisine, though. They have beautiful and creative sushi platters, all kinds of really, really great food. I guarantee you will love it if you stop there. Here's the rest of our top 10. We're filling in the blanks with Fire Fresh Grill, Captain Kurt's on Siesta Key, The Old Salty Dog also on Siesta Key, Kiyoshi over in Gulfgate, and Grove Restaurant over on Lakewood Ranch, Main Street. We would love for you to subscribe to our bulletin newsletter. We're going to throw up a link here for you, make it a little easier. Just type that right into your web browser and you will be on your way. Let's take another look at our mystery restaurant dining room. Do you recognize it? If you do, leave your guess in the comments. We're going to pick two winners at random from all correct entries, and they will receive $25 gift certificates. Well, that's going to be it for this month. Thanks for stopping by. We'll be back with you in April for another edition of The List Live.